Hello, so today we will study conscientiousness according to the CB5T, the cybernetic B5 theory. CB5T posits that the function of conscientiousness is to facilitate the pursuit of non-immediate goals in rule-based behavior. This function is critical to the successful navigation of human culture and indeed is typically the best psychological predictor after intelligence of academic and occupational success, as well as health-promoting behavior and longevity. The two aspects of conscientiousness are industriousness, reflecting the ability to suppress disruptive impulses and persist in working toward non-immediate goals, and orderliness, which involves a tendency to adopt rules, whether these rules are self-generated or imposed by others. The low pole of conscientiousness is described as impulsivity, but impulsivity is a complex construct and multiple types of impulsivity can be identified, not all of which are equivalent to low conscientiousness. Among the various types of impulsiveness, lack of perseverance is the most clearly related to conscientiousness, being essentially equivalent to low industriousness. Lack of premeditation is also clearly linked to conscientiousness, but it appears to be a blend of low conscientiousness and high extraversion, and may therefore have somewhat different biological substrate than other traits in conscientiousness. For example, one fMRI study found that reward-related activity in the ventral striatum was positively associated with scores on the Barrett Impulsivity Scale, a commonly used measure that corresponds most closely to lack of premeditation. This finding seems likely to have been driven by reward-related variance linked to extroversion. The other two types of impulsivity in the UPPS system are urgency, which reflect the broader stability meta trait, and sensation-seeking, most closely linked to extroversion. Humans are highly unusual in their ability to follow explicit systems of rules and plan for the distant future, so it is perhaps not surprising that chimpanzees are the only other species in which a trait analogous to conscientiousness has been identified. Other species obviously need to inhibit disruptive impulses, but individual differences in impulse control may simply be reflected in dimensions analogous to neuroticism and agreeableness that are related to have a distinct trait of conscientiousness. Multiple MRI studies have found that conscientiousness was positively associated with the volume of region in the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex.